Day 2, Sunday at Myrtle Beach. This one just woke up not too long ago. He is eating pancakes, devouring them. I got my Jimmy Dean breakfast scramble in the microwave, but I'm about to leave because you know when you go to like a hotel, resort, whatever, and they give you like that complimentary coffee in the Keurig, like what's inside of here, it's terrible. It's horrible. It is the worst coffee I've ever had in my entire life. And I can't stomach this. So I'm going to go across the street to the convenience store and go get me a cup of coffee. Or I might just go get me like a Starbucks frap, you know, that comes in a little jar thing, man. Stay tuned. Back from the convenience store. And this is the convenience store, by the way. I don't know if y'all can see that. That shop in the corner. That's where it's at. But yes, I'm out here on the balcony. I got my coffee. Yes, I do. And then, yeah, my Jimmy Dean scramble. Got 2 pancakes. About to eat right now. Little one, not even a little one. The young, big one. He is just chilling on YouTube like the typical 12-year-old boy does on a regular basis. Are already posted up at the beach, y'all. We're headed to the fitness facility, and the lady at the front desk informed us that we can't even use it because the building, this building right here, that one right there, I guess they are under new ownership, so they got stricter HOA policies, and we're not allowed to use it anymore. Only the people who are residing at that building can. So we're going to have to improvise as far as getting this one trained, but I did bring his resistant band, so I'm probably gonna do some push-ups. I'm gonna be really creative with what he does. He's gonna do some push-ups as well, and we just gonna make the best of it. So like I normally do, we're gonna improvise. We're gonna work out on the balcony while getting this beautiful view. He's going to do some reps, bicep curls, and shoulder presses with the resistant bands while I knock out push-ups, and then we're gonna switch off. All right. For 5 minutes, by the way. All right, let's go. All right, we are showered, dressed, edged up, looking like twins. And now we are headed to go catch our lift so we can go ride some go-karts. I bought some unlimited passes. It's like 7 tracks, and they got bumper cars right there on the boardwalk. This one, what you got over there? Some Pop-Tarts. See, he's having a snack. I usually do not eat between breakfast and dinner during Sundays and sometimes during the week as well. So we're gonna head out. We'll get with y'all in a minute. Have arrived at Broadway Grand Prix. Yes. So we're gonna get in here and see exactly what this one wants to do first. We'll get with y'all.
This is inside the building. It's a whole arcade right here.
Right, so we got our wristbands. Yes, sir. So what would my man like to do first? Okay, we got the slick track. We got the speed racer over here. Let me zoom in. Okay, there we go. Boom, boom. And then we got a family track over here. We got some little kiddie stuff. I think these are bumper cars down here. Wow. A little bit. Yeah. Batting cages. Okay. And then I think there's golf behind there. But yeah. These look pretty dope. I'm gonna start off with this junior racer track. Boom. This one back here. Oh, this thing is so little. Look how cramped in I am. Jesus. Look at this one in the back. Getting ready. First place because everybody wasn't paying attention to the lady back there. AJ's still out there. What you think? That was awesome. Listen, I don't know if I want to ride that one again. I felt so cramped, closed in, and my car was slow. My car was super slow. All right, on to the next one. Okay, now we're inside, about to do this slick track. I'm gonna win. Saying it now. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna beat this guy. You ready? Are you ready to lose? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Just letting you know, FYI. So he caught up to me, and then I ended up catching up to him, and then my car ended up malfunctioning, and then that was the end of the race. We got to do a rematch. Uh-oh. There you go. Drift. So how'd you enjoy it? Yeah. Okay, we are at we are at the Oval Speed Racer track right now. I think these are a little bit faster, so I'm still gonna beat him though. I'm still gonna give him that work. Yeah.
All right, they are going.
Welcome back. Please apply your brakes. Please apply your brakes. Please exit. Welcome back. Please apply your brakes. Please apply your brakes. Welcome back. Please apply your brakes. Welcome back. Please apply your brakes.
Which track do you like so far? Just like everyone, because you like to drift, and probably because it's inside. Okay, we at this pro track where they actually put everybody's time and who won on the TV. So let's get to it. You got the carbon fiber on the side. Huh? Yeah. They told me to come to number 8, so you got to get behind me, boy. Ah. It just started raining. Yo. Okay, we had a standstill because it started raining and then it just stopped. So we waiting on what the manager got to say in order to make sure that it's safe for us to run this. And then it just started raining again. Yep. told us we had to get out of the go-karts and wait until after the rain goes away. So what? We're gonna just go do the indoor one again? You like that one anyway. The plans, he'd rather go mini golf right now because that line behind us, where is it at? I don't even think I got it. What? Oh, yeah, I can't even see it. The line is on. Okay. Going through this tunnel while he's hitting me with his golf club. Better stop before I reach around and hit him with mine. Oh, this is dope. Nice little waterfall. All right. The challenge. Let's get to it. Me golfing in the rain. Strike one. Oh my God. Come on. Oh, boy. Okay. Still not bad. I ain't even gone yet, and he over here cheating. Just straight up cheating. Let's go. Okay. All right. Now nope. Come get this. So you can capture how much better I do than you. Okay, here you go. Hold that. And now let daddy go. Okay. That's how we gonna do it. Way better shot. Way better shot.
Barely got that.
Look at the ducks. Look, right there. Zoom in on the duck. Chilling. Whoop. All right, go ahead. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's see. Let's see if Daddy can do a better job. I'm gonna go for next angle. Dang.
Yeah!
Go ahead, boy. What? Brick. Okay, here. You gotta record Daddy. Yes, I know. I know you hate to. But I gotta show you how it's done. Oh, what a shot. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Let's see if Daddy can hit a hole in one. Oh. What's up? Oh. Not bad. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how Daddy do. I'm moving out right here. Oh! Now farther away. What? Really, AJ? Out here in the rain, and AJ calls me to knock my ball in the water. Yep. He made me do that. He kept distracting me. He kept sabotaging me when I was trying to put my ball in the hole. And yeah, it's his fault. Absolutely his fault. Well, while we wait for this rain to slow down, this one wanted a snack, so he decided to get
Strawberry funnel cake.
Strawberry funnel cake. Good. Good. We're back outside, so I'm about to hop back in here. AJ is right there, number 7, so he get a head start. He gonna need it.
I almost hit someone.
Yeah, it's that guy's in that shirt right there. Yeah, you gotta go get it. What you think?
That was crazy.
It was heat. You wanna run it again? No? Okay.
Dad is now getting on to ride by himself. We're gonna see what happens. They are off. Easy last. Haha.
We've been here for like, what, 4 hours? Most of the day basically was spent up here. So now we're gonna leave and go to the Broadway, do a little bit of shopping, exploring, see what goes down. Look, he's already talking about going swimming. I'm not even sure if we're gonna have time to do that today, but we'll see. I have finally reached the Broadway at the beach. Yes, so now we are going to do a little bit of shopping because we got my little brother's birthday in a few weeks, his uncle's birthday. We have Father's Day next weekend, or is it, what's today, Sunday, right? No, it's this weekend coming up. Then I got anniversary, so I gotta get my lady something. So we gonna see what we can find. Stay tuned.
Giant bears. Upside down house right here. This is crazy. This is crazy. Ooh.
We can put that in a bag. Dang, that would be perfect. Oh, that's $50. Jesus.
This is a very Potter type store. What is this? Jumped in. Toy Island.
Hey, I think this is where you bust your Hot Wheels at. I think this is the place. Just left the Tinderbox on the Broadway, and you know I had to cop me some cigars, right? I had to cop some exclusives, some that you can't get in Texas, and the owner actually comped me a cigar for being a returning customer. See, this is what happens when you do good business, when you are a loyal customer. They take care of you, man. I'm telling you, take care of you. And this Heroes and Villains shop, this is so dope. Might have to get something for the collection. Yeah. Maybe not. Shoot, this stuff is kind of. Okay, we're in Duck Mania, where there's a whole bunch of duck-inspired things here. Look, you got Fat Duck, you got Terminator Duck, you got Deadpool Duck, Wolverine Duck. This is hilarious. Ooh, wee. Yes. The all anime shop store. Sir. Look at that. Man, they even got Sakamoto. All right, we just did some shopping for my stepdad, my little brother, because they got, you know, birthdays, Father's Day. We got that popping off. So, we left there. You got something. What did you end up getting?
Hot Wheels.
Yeah, got in my Hot Wheels. Yes, he did. That boy is so done. We just got to get one more person something, and we are out of here. we are done with our shopping. Just got my lady her stuff somewhere. It's in one of these bags, I believe. But now it is time to call a Lyft so we can get up out of here. This one, he is just out of there, y'all. Straight up out of there. So we'll get with y'all in a little bit. We just got back to the resort, but I gotta run a Dollar General to try to find some goggles and get this boy some cough medicine. So I'm not done with my day yet. He is, though. He's gonna shower, eat something, probably get in bed, be in bed by the time I get back. Back at the house, been here for about 15-20 minutes, warming up some dinner. This one has already eaten. He chilling for the rest of the evening, but I'm gonna try to watch that UFC fight at the White House tonight. We'll see if I'm gonna be able to stay up and watch it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.